Hi, this is Jim Fulford, and I make technology simple so home business owners can grow their business fast. And today, I'm going to be giving you a quick online branding plan. This video, along with the downloadable PDF file, which is an index, is going to give you a complete outline of all the steps that you need to take to build your online plan. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to know is you're probably thinking, what do I need to know before I get started with my online branding? We're going to go over that, but before we do that, I really want to tell you the things that you don't need. Because really, to do online marketing and get started, you don't need to be an expert on anything. That will come as you move forward in the process. And you don't really need to be a techie. You'll see why in a moment. You also don't need to understand social media. You don't need a lot of money. You don't have to have a thriving home business. In fact, you don't have to have a home business at all. Because really, building an online brand isn't about branding your business or branding your product. It's about branding you. But the things that you do need, first of all, you got to be willing to take a leap. This is a process. It's not for people that want to plan. What you're going to do is you need to take action and do things. And as you do, you will learn. And of course, that's really the second step. You need to be willing to learn, because what you're going to do is learn the process and teach others how to do it. It's also going to take some work. You need to be willing to work. This doesn't take a lot of work, but it's going to take consistent work. If you decide that you're going to build content every day, do it every day. If you're going to come out with something once a week, do it every week. But consistency is important. And also what you need to be willing to is teach others to do what you learn, because that's really the way that you're going to grow your online community and your niche. And you need to really cultivate a mindset of success. Now think about that. Really, probably one of the most important things before you start is to really have a vision and think about who you are and what you want to be known for. If you have a compelling vision and an idea of what you want to be, it's going to be so much easier to do that. Now, as far as your online branding plan, there's 4 phases that we really want to go over. The first phase is going to be the planning stage, and that's all the work that you need to do to get ready before you start. In this part, you really can't outsource because you've really got to do it yourself. The second part is actually building of your website platform. The third phase is going to be creating great content for your site. And of course, the fourth thing is going to be promoting that content so that your list is going to grow. Let's talk about the planning stage. We've already talked about the right mindset, so you understand that. But also there's some other things that are really important. Determining your niche, and this is critical for your foundation, is think about whenever you're doing an online business, you need to be very specialized. We have a complete training series just on how to determine your niche. You also need to determine your perfect customer. Who is the person that really is going to be interested in your products or services, and you need to know them intimately. You're also going to want to develop your elevator pitch. So when someone asks you what you do, when they visit your website, they need to be able to see quickly exactly what it's about. And you also are going to need to know how are you going to become an authority in that particular niche. So all these things are really the things that you need to do before you actually start building your website or your blog, because this is going to be the foundation and how your business looks. Now, once you've done the planning stage, it's time to start building your platform. And of course, we're going to be recommending you set up a blogging platform. We recommend WordPress, but you can use another blogging platform. You're going to need to set up your email platform, create your lead magnet, create opt-in forms for your blog. You're going to need to optimize your site so it's going to be really good at lead generation and conversion. You're also going to need to integrate social media sites so it's going to be easy for you to promote your content. Now, one thing we've got to find out is this technology, this part is what really scares a lot of people, because they think I can do all this, but they think there's no way they can do all this technical stuff. Well, I'm going to tell you there's a magic word you need to know, and that word is outsourcing. Pretty much just about everything on the technology side of things, you can outsource as little or as much as you want. The next thing is going to be to create the great content, and this is where you really need to come out there and create content that's going to be relevant for your niche. You want to first have a strategy of not only the types of content you're going to create, but also how often. You also need to learn how to write SEO-friendly content. And what that means is you need to write content so when Google indexes it and people come to it, that's going to be easy to find so that your pages are going to rank very well and make it easy for people to find you. You're going to need to learn how to create images for your posts. You're going to need to learn how to make videos for your content as well. So there's just some steps to create some great content. And then once you know that, you're going to start posting this relevant content for your niche on a consistent basis. And the last thing you're going to need to do is promote your content. And believe it or not, you're going to need to spend more time promoting than you do writing content. The 80-20 rule here would say spend 80% of the time promoting and 20% of the time writing it. But when you're beginning, you're probably going to be spending them in reverse. But promotion is key, and there's many different ways you're going to need to promote your content. One of the first ways is going to be to email your list. In addition to emailing your list, you're going to need to develop a tribe. And a tribe is just going to be people that are in the same boat as you that want to help you share and promote your content. You're going to want to promote your blog to your friends on social media, which is one of the first things you're going to do. You're going to want to join Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, all the groups that are in your niche. You're also going to want to take everything that you post and post it on multiple social media sites. This is a very important part of building that brand and getting your name out there. You're also going to want to find, follow, and partner with people that are in your niche. This is going to help you expand beyond your circle of influence, people that have influence in the area so they can follow you in addition to following them. You're going to want to comment on blogs and forums in your niche, and just by being active in these forums and blogs, it's going to be a great way to drive people back to your website. You're also going to want to use guest blog posts to grow your audience. You're going to want to be able to use webinars. This is just a small list of the things that you're going to be promoting your content, but promoting is going to be something you're going to need to do every day. And of course, the last step is really you need to understand and have a plan for monetizing your site. You want to be able to make money with your blog. Many people have blogs out there and they don't make money with it at all. And of course, the whole idea behind marketing is to be able to generate leads and make money. Now, of course, we understand that you can actually plug your leads into your primary business or your home-based business, but really your blog itself is going to be an income producer if you make a plan on how to monetize your site. So anyway, that's just a real quick overview of all the steps that you're going to need. And of course, it looks like a big list, and it is. But really, if you're looking for an easy way to get started, I really recommend that you consider our blog building bootcamp. All the outsourcing you can do on the creation of your blog, we're going to have someone that can help you through that process. And also, regardless of whether you partner with us at all, we want to wish you awesome success in your online marketing and your lead generation. Thanks.